Turmeric. Benefits of turmeric. What's going on here? Turmeric is a splendid yellow zest that is regularly utilized for flavor and shading in Asian food. It has a gritty fragrance, and its flavor profile is somewhat peppery and harsh, with an unpretentious ginger taste. Turmeric contains 3 normally happening phytochemicals called curcuminoids. The most striking and investigated of which is curcumin. In this video investigates the wholesome substance of turmeric, how it may profit well-being, just as a portion of its negative symptoms. As indicated by the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) National Nutrient Database. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder contains 29 calories, 0.91 grams g of protein, 0.31 grams of fat, 6.31 grams of carbohydrates, 2.1 grams of fiber, 0.3 grams of sugar. That same 1 tablespoon serving provides 26% of daily manganese needs, 16% of daily iron, 5% of daily potassium, 3% of daily vitamin C. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Here, we diagram the numerous potential advantages of turmeric and curcumin. 1. Curcumin is an anti-inflammatory. One of turmeric's fundamental distinguishing strengths is that it's regularly used to battle irritation. And the greater part of turmeric's aggravation battling forces can be credited to curcumin. Truth be told, in the correct portion, curcumin might be a more powerful calming treatment than basic aggravation battling drugs, for example, Advil, ibuprofen, and anti-inflammatory medicine, as indicated by a past report. As interminable irritation adds to numerous ceaseless maladies, curcumin may help treat conditions like provocative inside ailment, pancreatitis, and joint inflammation. We'll get into a portion of those particular advantages later. 2. Curcumin may protect against heart disease. A past report shows that curcumin may improve endothelial capacity, or the soundness of the slight layer that covers within the heart and veins. This film assumes a key job in managing circulatory strain. Lower endothelial capacity is related with maturing and an expanded danger of coronary illness. In this manner, curcumin may help ensure against age-related loss of capacity and lessen your probability of creating coronary illness. In one investigation, specialists analyzed the impacts of an 8-week vigorous exercise program and a curcumin supplement in improving endothelial capacity in postmenopausal ladies. Both the activity and the curcumin bunch saw equivalent enhancements in endothelial capacity, though the benchmark group saw no changes. Another examination found that curcumin was similarly viable at improving endothelial capacity. In individuals with type 2 diabetes, coronary illness is a typical comorbidity of type 2. As the medication Lipitor, atorvastatin, a medicine ordinarily recommended to diminish the danger of cardiovascular failure and stroke. All things considered, more research is expected to decide whether curcumin is a protected and viable long-haul treatment procedure for individuals with coronary illness. 3. Curcumin may prevent and possibly help treat cancer. As aggravation is connected to tumor development, calming mixes, for example, curcumin may assume a job in treating and forestalling an assortment of malignancy types, including colorectal, pancreatic, prostate, bosom, and gastric diseases. Truth be told, Inquire About in Mice recommends that curcumin may help moderate the spread of tumor cells, and may even keep tumors from shaping in any case. It might do this in a few different ways, including disturbing the arrangement of dangerous cells at different stages in the phone cycle, meddling with cell-flagging pathways, and in any event, making those destructive cells bite the dust. Regardless of whether curcumin can help treat malignant growth in people still can't seem to be resolved. However, the examination is progressing. 4. Curcumin may help ease symptoms of osteoarthritis. Because of its powerful calming properties, curcumin might be a protected and compelling long-haul treatment alternative for individuals with osteoarthritis (OA). In a past report, individuals with osteoarthritis who took 1,000 mg per day of Meriva experienced critical upgrades in firmness and physical capacity following 8 months, though the benchmark group saw no enhancements. Meriva is a restrictive treatment comprised of a characteristic curcuminoid blend, 75% curcumin, 15% dimethoxycurcumin, and 10% bis-de-met-hoxy-curcumin. Phosphatidylcholine, a synthetic found in eggs, soybeans, and different nourishments. And microcrystalline cellulose, a refined wood mash ordinarily utilized by the pharmaceutical and nourishment businesses. What's more, an investigation in mice distributed in the June 2016 issue of Arthritis Research and Therapy found that 50 mg oral curcumin per kilogram body weight essentially eased back the movement of OA, while a topical curcumin treatment gave help with discomfort. That stated, regardless of whether these advantages would apply to people, still can't seem to be seen. 5. Curcumin may help treat or prevent diabetes. As indicated by a past audit of studies, curcumin may help treat and forestall diabetes. Just as related issue like diabetic nephropathy, likewise called diabetic kidney infection, which influences individuals with type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. One downside, many of the investigations have been done distinctly in creatures, not people. For instance, one examination found that taking care of 80 mg of tetrahydrocurcumin, one of the fundamental substances of curcumin per kilogram body weight to rodents with type I cal reduction in glucose, just as an expansion in plasma insulin. An investigation in fat mice with type 2 diabetes distributed in the July 2019 issue of Nutrition and Metabolism uncovers that curcumin supplements helped lower blood insulin levels following 4 months. In the interim, curcumin may help forestall diabetes through its mitigating and cancer prevention agent properties, and improve a significant number of the components that add to diabetes, including insulin opposition, high glucose, and hyperlipidemia, a clinical term to portray raised degrees of fat in the blood. One sort of hyperlipidemia is described by elevated levels of LDL, or awful, cholesterol. Still, increasingly human examinations are expected to affirm 0.2 diabetes for 45 days prompted a crit. 6. Turmeric may help delay or reverse Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric may even secure your cerebrum against normal degenerative ailments like Alzheimer's. How? By expanding levels of cerebrum-inferred neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein found in the mind and spinal string that assumes a key job in keeping nerve cells, neurons, sound, just as directing correspondence between nerve cells, which is basic for learning and memory. As regular cerebrum issue like Alzheimer's are related with lower levels of BDNF, turmeric, curcumin specifically, may help deferral or converse mind degeneration. So, a great part of the exploration has been done in mice. Analysts note more research is expected to affirm the adequacy of turmeric in the anticipation and treatment of basic cerebrum ailments. 7. Turmeric may play a role in treating depression. Like Alzheimer's, misery is additionally connected with lower levels of BDNF. On account of turmeric's capacity to support levels of BDNF, the zest shows guarantee as a compelling upper. Indeed, one examination found that infusing rodents with 50, 100, or 200 mg per kilogram of curcumin for 10 days prompted a portion subordinate increment in BDNF, with the higher portion of 200 mg per kilogram demonstrating more prominent stimulant impacts. In the interim, in an examination in people that was distributed in the April 2014 issue of Phytotherapy Research, scientists arbitrarily doled out 60 patients with significant burdensome issue to one of 3 gatherings. One gathering got day-by-day 20 mg of fluoxetine, another got 1,000 mg of curcumin, and a third gotten a mix of the two. Before 6 weeks over, the 3 gatherings saw similar enhancements, driving scientists to propose that curcumin might be a sheltered and viable treatment for significant burdensome issue. In any case, researchers don't completely comprehend the job of turmeric and curcumin in treating wretchedness, and more research in people is expected to affirm it is a sheltered and successful treatment. 8. Curcumin may play a role in treating rheumatoid arthritis. Curcumin shows guarantee as a treatment for rheumatoid joint pain (RA), a constant provocative issue that regularly influences the joints yet may spread to different territories. For example, the eyes, lungs, skin, heart, and veins. RA causes a difficult expanding of the joints that can make the bones dissolve after some time, and at last lead to deformations and physical handicaps. In one investigation, individuals with RA were given 500 mg of curcumin, 50 mg of diclofenac sodium, a remedy non-steroidal calming drug, or the two in blend. After about 2 months, the curcumin just gathering saw critical upgrades in joint delicacy and growing when contrasted and the other two gatherings. Scientists note the curcumin treatment was likewise sheltered, bringing about no unsafe occasions. 9. Turmeric may improve skin health. On account of its mitigating, antimicrobial, and cancer prevention agent properties, turmeric might be a viable treatment for an assortment of skin conditions, including skin inflammation, atopic dermatitis, photoaging, and psoriasis. However, hardy research is deficient. One survey distributed in the January 2018 issue of Open Access Macedonian Journal of Medical Sciences proposes oral curcumin specifically might be a successful and safe treatment alternative for psoriasis, an interminable provocative skin sickness. However, more examinations are required before making proposals. As per the creators of another audit, topical curcumin medications might be helpful in treating skin issue, particularly as past research recommends curcumin as moderately protected even at high portions. In any case, curcumin's brilliant yellow-orange shading, poor solvency, and poor soundness at a high pH make it an unappealing topical skin treatment. 10. Turmeric protects your body from free radicals. Cancer prevention agents help ensure your body against harm brought about by free radicals, a class of exceptionally responsive iotas that are produced in our bodies. Just as in natural poisons like tobacco smoke and modern synthetic concoctions, too much introduction to free radicals can meddle with the fats, proteins, and even DNA in your body, which may prompt various regular maladies and well-being conditions, including malignant growth, joint inflammation, coronary illness, and Alzheimer's. Therefore, cancer prevention agent-rich flavors like turmeric may assume a job in shielding you from free extreme harm. Curcumin specifically can search various sorts of free radicals, control chemicals that kill free radicals, and keep certain catalysts from making explicit free extreme sorts, as indicated by a survey in the October 2017 issue of Foods. 11. Turmeric may work as an anti-aging supplement. As of now, there's no proof that turmeric or curcumin straightforwardly impact lifespan. Yet on account of their capacity to battle irritation, insure your body against free radicals, and possibly postpone mind degeneration and other age-related infections, turmeric and curcumin might be compelling enemy of maturing supplements, as indicated by past research.